I thought these might be overhyped until now. Patrick Ta sent over all of his new lip balms, and I know what you're thinking, Danielle, I don't need another lip balm. But I have been seeing these all over and they actually look really pretty. We're gonna try them on, watch them all, and see if they're actually worth it. Packaging is really cute. I wanna try shade Espresso first. Okay, really smooth. The shade is really pretty. It's not overpowering. Has a really yummy scent. Next we have Cookie Butter. This and Espresso, Chef's Kiss. Next is Creme Brulee. Wait, this smells so good. It kind of smells like popcorn in a weird way. I love how glossy it is, but also feels hydrating. They actually dropped quite a few shades. This is Milk Tea. I can't stop talking about the scent, but usually I hate a scent in a lip balm, but these all smell really good. This one is stunning. Let's do shade Pink Salted Caramel. Ooh, I love this shade. I love a pink balm. Look at how smooth and juicy my lips look. The last shade is Cocoa Butter. These make my lips look like I just got a fresh touch up on my lips. It's insane. They actually look so good. I'm gonna be real with you guys. These are really good. These might be some of the best lip balms I've ever tried. And trust me, I have tried a lot of lip balms. Let me know what you guys think. Which color was your favorite?